Pare,
Oh, yan na.
kumusta?
I'm good. And you?
Wow! Ang galing mo nang mag-English, ha?
Yes, I'm so very good in speaking English.
Sige nga, I'll quiz you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Paano mo sasabihin ang kapayapaan sa English?
Peace.
Sige, ano pa? How do you say mukha in English?
Peace.
Wait. Say it again?
Peace.
Okay, no, that's my fault. I just didn't understand the accent.
What accent? I don't have accent.
No, that's okay. That's okay, pare. Ito na lang. Paano mo sasabihin ang isda sa English?
Peace.
Fish.
Yes, that's what I said. Peace.
Mark, it sounds like all these words are... They're sounding the same.
Hindi ah.
Kailangan mong ayusin yung pagbigkas mo.
Tama naman yung sinabi ko.
Yeah, but you know, like it could be...
Mukha. Peace. Oh, isda. Peace. Kapayapaan. Peace. Oh.
Okay. Look, it's fine, okay? We can just work on your pronunciation another time. Okay, ito yung pinaghuling word natin. Paano mo sasabihin ang ihi sa English?
Peace. Pare, huwag kang ma-stress. Niloloko lang kita.
Ay, salamat. Akala ko di mo narinig yung sarili mo. So what is the correct pronunciation?
Niloloko lang kita, pare. Di talaga ako marunong mag-English.
Nakakaloka ka. Hindi ka naman pala marunong mag-English.
On the contrary, I quite consider myself well-rehearsed in the said form of communication. Albeit, I cannot boast of knowing more than half of all the spoken languages in the world. My apprehension of the Queen's English is exceedingly sound.
Pare, niloloko lang kita. Hindi ako marunong mag-English.
I.
Hey, yo, check my flow.
Hey guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Make sure you check out ang Probinsyano Vlogs. Ayan, nasa YouTube siya. Bayaw ko yan. Kita-kits sa sunod na video natin.
Hi, I'm Greg, and I use PhilTalk.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
PhilTalk is great because now my husband can learn to speak my native language.
Yeah, so if you talk about me, I'll understand. Mag-ingat ka, ha?
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
It's simple. Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to PhilTalk today!